Hi friends, how are you today? You're fine? Wow, great. I'm happy that you are fine. Mean again with me? That means we are going to do the nature observation. I want to ask you first, how is your plant today? Has it grown? I heard some of your plants haven't grown yet. Alright, that is okay. Do you want to try to plant seed again? Alright, now let's take your seeds. What seeds do you want to plant this time? Now, let's take a look at your seed. What is the shape of your seed? What about its size? Okay. Now, what about the color? What is the color of your seeds? Does it have any smell? Can you smell it? Alright. Now, after taking a look at our seeds, I want you to take your nature journal. Have you gotten your nature journal? Great. Now, you can write the date of today. After you write the date of today, now let's draw the seed that we looked before. You can draw how the shape is, and then you can draw the size also. You also can color it. You can color with the same color as the real seed that you saw before. After you draw your seed, you can give a little note about how your seeds are. You can write the name of your seeds. And then you also can give a note about how the size and then how the shapes are. And then you also can uh, write what is the color. If you smell something, you also can add it. You can say the seed smells good or bad or have no smell. Alright, this is how I draw my seeds. Okay, after you draw it, now let's plant it. But before that, we will try to differ good and bad seeds. Do you know how to differ good and bad seeds? Alright, to differ good and bad seeds, we need a bowl with water in it and also our seeds. Alright, after you have prepared your bowl and also the water and also your seeds, now put the seeds into the bowl like this one. Take your seeds and then put it carefully into the bowl. Why do you think we have to put the seeds to the water? What will happen? Can you guess what will happen to the seeds? Will it change its shape? Or will it be bigger or smaller? Let's see. We have to wait our seeds in the water for about 2 until 3 hours, okay? After waiting for 2 until 3 hours, this is what happened to my seeds. What happened to your seeds after you waited for 2 until 3 hours? For me, there are some seeds that are sinking and the others are floating. Which one do you think is the good seeds? Yes, the good seeds is the sinking one. Do you have any idea why the sinking seeds are the good seeds? Because we have known that the good seeds are the sinking seeds, now let's take the floating seeds. You can use your fingers or you use spoon like I do here.
Now the next step, prepare the pot with the soil in it. Before you put the seeds into the soil, you can spray the soil using your sprayer, or if you don't have sprayer, you can use your fingers to sprinkle some water like this.
Make sure that your soil becomes wet. After your soil is wet, you can put the sinking seeds to the soil. After you put the seeds to the soil, you can press the soil a little. Make sure that the seeds can be covered by the soil, but don't too much because we don't want the seeds to be too deep inside the soil. And then after that, please take your pot to the safe place in your house. Make sure that your pet or maybe a rat will not get access to your pot. Now you can take any newspaper that you have and then cover your pot with it. We will not give any lights to the soil directly. Okay? And then after that, you can use a rock or maybe you can use any eraser or heavier thing to hold the paper like this so the paper will not fly. So why do you think that we have to cover it with paper? If we cover it with paper, can lights go to the seeds? Okay, so the lights will not get to the seeds directly. So why do you think we have to do that? What do you think will happen? Do you think our seed will grow? Let's see. All right, friends. Whenever you want to water it, you can open the paper and then you water it. But after you water it, you have to close it again. You can do this until your seeds grow, becomes a small plant. When it becomes a small plant, you have to give lights to it. Okay? And then we will see what will happen to our seed. Okay? While you are watering your seeds every day, don't forget to observe the growth of your plant. Okay? You can use this table to record the growth of your plant. You can draw whatever you see from day 1, day 2, day 3, and so on. Even though I give the example only until day 8, don't stop at day 8. You can continue to day 9, day 10, and so on. Okay? Alright friends, I cannot wait to see how you plant your seeds. After you plant your seeds, do you know what you should do to your seeds? Do you have to take care of it or do you just let it be? Yes, we have to take care of it. How do you take care of your seed? Oh, you have to water it every day. Alright, in a day, how many times do you water your plant? Yes, correct. We have to water it twice a day. In the morning and also in the afternoon. I think that's all for today. And I will meet you again in the next meeting. Bye friends, see you!